Step-by-step guide to free up your Gmail storage. Hey everyone, struggling with Gmail storage limits? Here's how to clean up your Gmail and avoid bounced emails. Step 1. Back up your Gmail. Click on your profile picture and select Manage your Google account. Go to the Data and Personalization tab. Click Download your data and select Mail. Choose a cloud storage option for delivery and click Create Export. Step 2. Delete old emails. Search for promotional emails older than 6 months. Category: Promotions. Older than 6 month. Click the Check All icon, select all conversations that match, and delete. Repeat for social emails. Category: Social. Older than 6 month. Step 3. Remove large attachments. Search for emails with large attachments, larger 2 MB. Select and delete these emails. That's it. You've freed up space and ensured your emails won't bounce. Like and subscribe for more tips.